Mizoram is a state in northeastern India, with Aizawl as its seat of government and capital city. The name of the state is derived from Mizo, the self-described name of the native inhabitants, and Ram, which in the Mizo language means land. Thus, Mizoram means land of the Mizos. Within India's northeast Old Assam region, it is the southernmost landlocked state, sharing borders with 3 of the 7 sister states of Old Assam, namely Tripura, Assam and Manipur. The state also shares a 722-kilometer border with the neighboring countries of Bangladesh and Myanmar. Like several other northeastern states of India, Mizoram was previously part of Assam until 1972, when it was carved out as a union territory. In 1986, the Indian Parliament adopted the 53rd Amendment of the Indian Constitution, which allowed for the creation of the state of Mizoram on the 20th of February 1987 as India's 23rd state, according to a 2011 census. In that year, Mizoram's population was 1,091,014. It is the second least populous state in the country. Mizoram covers an area of approximately 21,087 square kilometers. About 91% of the state is forested. About 95% of Mizoram's population descends from a diverse tribal origin. Mizos first began to settle the area in the 16th century, coming in waves of immigration from Southeast Asia. This immigration lasted through the 18th century. Among all of the states of India, Mizoram has the highest concentration of tribal people. The Mizoram people are currently protected under the Indian Constitution as a scheduled tribe. Mizoram is one of 3 states of India with a Christian majority. Its people belong to various Christian denominations, being mostly Presbyterians in the north and Baptists in the south. Mizoram is a highly literate agrarian economy. Slash and burn Zoom, or shifting cultivation, is the most common form of farming here, though it gives poor crop yields. In recent years, the Zoom farming practices are steadily being replaced with a significant horticulture and bamboo products industry. The state's gross state domestic product for 2012 was estimated at 69.91 billion rupees. About 20% of Mizoram's population lives below poverty line, with 35% rural poverty as of 2014. The state has about 871 kilometers of national highways, with NH 54 and NH 150 connecting it to Assam and Manipur respectively. It is also a growing transit point for trade with Myanmar and Bangladesh. The term Mizoram is derived from 2 Mizo words, Mizo and Ram. Mizo is the name used to call the native inhabitants and Ram means land. There is dispute on the term Zo. According to one view, Zo means highland and Mizoram means land of the Mizos. B. Laltangliana says Zo may also mean cold region, and therefore Mizo may also signify people of the cold region. The origin of the Mizos, like those of many other tribes in the northeastern India, is shrouded in mystery. The people living in the Mizo hills were generally referred to as the Kuchis or Cookies by their neighboring ethnic groups, which was also a term adopted by the British writers. The claim that the Cookies are the earliest known residents of the Mizo Hills area must be read in this light. The majority of the tribes classified as Mizo today most likely migrated to their present territories from the neighboring countries in several waves, starting around 1500 CE. Before the British Raj, the various Mizo clans lived in autonomous villages. The tribal chiefs enjoyed an eminent position in the gerontocratic Mizo society. The various clans and sub-clans practiced slash and burn, locally called Zoom cultivation, a form of subsistence agriculture. The chiefs were the absolute rulers of their respective clans' territories, although they remained under the nominal political jurisdictions of the Rajas of Manipur, Tripura and Burma, prior to 1895, the year that the British Raj gained political control over Mizoram. There were many reports of head-hunting in the Mizoram area via tribal raids led by the village chieftains. Head-hunting was a practice which often involved the ambushing of a rival tribe, the taking of slaves and the cutting off of the heads of the defenders. These heads would sometimes be displayed at the entrances to the tribal village of the victors. Some of the earliest records of raids and intertribal conflicts are from the early 19th century. In the 1840s, Captain Blackwood of Britain marched into the Mizo Hills with his troops to punish a Palian tribal chief for raiding British interests in India. A few years later, Captain Lester was wounded in a battle with the Luce tribe in the region that is now Mizoram. In 1849, a Luce tribal raid killed 29 members of the Thadu tribe and added 42 captives to their clan. Colonel Lister retaliated in 1850, with the cooperation of the Thadu tribe, an event historically called the First British Invasion, burning down a Luce village of 800 tribal houses and freeing 400 Thadu captives. British history.